How to cancel Meta Verified on Instagram. If any day any of you are an Instagram user and you would like to cancel down your Meta Verified on Instagram but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. You have to find the very Instagram application on your mobile device and then tap on it. After you tap on it, Instagram will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to your profile like icon on the downside and then you have to go to the icon of settings and activity. After you tap on settings and activity, you can see an interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the icon of account center. After tapping on account center, you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, what you have to do is you have to go to the next icon. That is, you can go to the option of so that your account is meta verified, and you can see if your meta verified icon is like this. If you do not see all of those, what you have to do is you have to just scroll down and then go to the option of help now. After you tap on the option of help, now you have to tap on the icon of the help center. After tapping on the help center, now you can see an interface like this. Now in the search center, you have to search subscription. Now when you search subscription, you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now you have to go to the next icon, that is unsubscribe from a creators or a refund for the Meta Verified business subscription. After you tap on it, you can see an interface like this. Now what you can do is you can go to the option of request a refund from your very Apple Play Store, or you can also go to the option of the Google Play Store and then refund it, and this way you can cancel your Meta verification. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.